Here's to the ones who see potential where others see decay, to the dreamers who find beauty in the forgotten. This isn't just about metal, oil, and paint. It's a story of resurrection. It's about a legend, lost to time, waiting for a second chance to roar back to life. It's the story of a promise, made to a machine that was once the king of the road, a promise to make it rain once more. Deep within the silent, dusty confines of a forgotten barn, a legend slept, covered by a thick, weathered tarp. Its silhouette was a mere ghost of its former glory. As the cover was pulled back, years of neglect were laid bare. A thick coat of dust muted its once vibrant color, and rust had begun to claim the elegant lines of its body. The chrome, once a mirror to the world, was now pitted and dull. Peering inside, the interior told a similar story of decline. Cracked leather seats, a faded dashboard, and a steering wheel that had guided its last journey decades ago. It was a relic, a time capsule of a bygone era, waiting patiently for someone to remember its soul. The journey back to life began not with a roar, but with a quiet, methodical process of deconstruction. Every bolt, every panel, every piece of trim was carefully documented and removed. A meticulous autopsy of a mechanical marvel. A fast-motion sequence captured the slow dance of disassembly as the car was stripped down to its very essence. The team then turned their attention to the body, a canvas marred by time, powerful Sanders word, peeling away layers of faded paint and stubborn rust, stripping the shell down to its honest, bare metal. It was a brutal, yet necessary, first step in its transformation of baptism by abrasion to prepare it for a new beginning. With the car reduced to its core components, the rebirth could truly commence. The heart of the machine, its powerful engine, was carefully hoisted from the chassis. On a workbench, it was lovingly disassembled, each part cleaned, measured, and restored or replaced, a painstaking process to ensure it would beat stronger than ever. Simultaneously, skilled hands worked on the body. Sparks flew as welders meticulously replaced corroded panels, and the gentle tap-tap of hammers smoothed out the dents and imperfections earned over a lifetime. Once the form was perfected, a smooth coat of primer was applied, turning the patchwork of metal into a uniform gray canvas. Inside, the tattered remnants of the old interior were removed, making way for new life. Master craftsmen cut, stitched, and fitted rich, new upholstery, breathing luxury and comfort back into the cabin where once only dust and memories resided. The moment of truth arrived in the sterile, bright environment of the spray booth. A fine mist of paint, a deep and lustrous color chosen to honor its heritage, enveloped the car. Layer upon layer was applied until the body gleamed with a flawless, mirror-like finish. The reassembly was a symphony of precision. The rebuilt engine, a powerhouse of polished metal, was lowered back into its rightful place. The painstakingly polished chrome trim was reinstalled, its brilliant shine a stark contrast to its previously tarnished state. Sleek new wheels, wrapped in fresh rubber, were bolted on, grounding the machine and completing its powerful stance. Piece by piece, the legend was being reborn before our eyes, each component adding to the crescendo of its revival. From the darkness of the workshop, the finished masterpiece rolled into the spotlight. Its new paint job reflected the lights with an incredible depth, every curve and line accentuated. It was no longer a forgotten relic, but a rolling piece of art, a perfect fusion of classic design and modern craftsmanship. The final scene showed the car where it truly belonged, on the open road. As it carved through winding scenic routes, the glorious roar of its rebuilt engine echoed through the landscape. This was more than just a restoration. It was the revival of a spirit, a testament to the passion that can turn rust into radiance. And so, a chapter closes, not as an end, but as a new beginning. A legend, once silenced by the passage of time, now roars with a voice that is stronger and clearer than ever before. It stands as a shining example of what is possible when dedication meets dreams. For in every restored classic, there is a story of hope, a reminder that with enough passion and skill, the glories of the past can be brought back to inspire the future. The road ahead is clear, and the journey continues.